Yeah, team, I'm just sharing my screen. So three more members need to join. Okay. So this area, we are calling it as a list. This area, we are calling it as a list. Okay. This area, we are calling it as a list. And so this three lines icon is a hamburger menu. This three lines icon is a hamburger menu. Okay. If you click here, you will get hamburger menu. Okay. So filter. Okay, if you want to filter some data, for example, I'm just filtering, I'm just filtering like this. You can see it is a filter. You just click on filter. If you want to filter something, yes, you can. You can say I just filter short description is welcome to scheduled scripts. And I also trying to filter something like a state is work in progress. These are our new state of flow. Like this, we will filter the data. This is a filter icon. This is kind of a message icon. Okay. It will show the natural language filter that we haven't enabled in personal developer instances. Okay. So next, from here also, if you want to search quickly, yes, you can. From here also, if you want to search quickly, for example, so we have keywords or something, right? So if you want to filter some data from here, for example, I want to filter something. 1 second. I'm just removing this filter. Okay. So now I want to filter something like, for example, I want to filter something like test. Okay. Short description, for example. So within this short description, I want to filter with all the instance which contains the test keyword. You can see. Short description contains test. The filter criteria, it is applied. Okay. And here it is appearing, right? So you can see this, what we are calling it as breadcrumb bar. Breadcrumb bar. This area we are calling as breadcrumb bar. Breadcrumb bar. Okay. So this area we are calling as breadcrumb bar. This area we are calling as breadcrumb bar. Okay. This area we are calling as breadcrumb bar. Yes, somebody. Ashok, you can mute yourself. Your team, somebody joined with like Axomi 23076, some mobile name, even Samsung SM F1270. So please change your names. Okay. Next. So this we have discussed, this we have discussed, this we have discussed. This is a breadcrumb bar. This also we have discussed. Now you can come to this side. So this is the activity stream icon. This is the activity stream icon. So you just click here. So it will show activity stream. So for example, I'm selecting this record. So you can see this incident related activity stream is appearing here. Okay. Got it, everyone? So for example, so I'm just closing this. Again, I'm clicking here. You can see it will open the activity stream. You can see multiple instant records activity stream is open. Okay. Latest updates will appear. Okay. This is about activity stream. And this is a personalized list. This is a personalized list. What it will contains, what this personalized list contains. This is a personalized list. This is a personalized list. So here columns are appearing, right? For example, number, open, short description, color, priority. So we can control from this personalized list what we have to display in the form, what we don't want to display in the form. Like this entire area we are calling as a slush bucket. This is a slush bucket. We'll call it as a slush bucket. This is a available slush bucket. This is a selected slush bucket. This is a selected slush bucket. Available slush bucket, selected slush bucket. Okay, like whatever columns we are added to the selected slush bucket, that columns will appear in the list. You can see we have added number column to updates column here. You can see first column is number, last column is updates. Okay, whatever the columns we are added, it will appear. Personalized list. If you are added columns to this list by using this personalized list, it will only applicable to you. It will only applicable to you. So for example, since admin user adding columns to list view by using personalized list, these columns will appear to only admin user. Okay. For Anusha user kept some different columns in this list. For her, those columns will appear. Got it? Got it, team? No? Oh,
Yes, sir. We can understand. Yeah.
next.
Sir, I just want to ask you one more thing, sir. See,
Okay.
just now you told me that regarding, regarding personalized, right? So we
Hmm.
can see the many test applications, everything, right? So we can, in that options, like we can select like 5 options will be same. Like you can see a number, open, short description, like everything will be there, right?
Yes.
For few test cases, we don't want to disappear for few things. We can do like that, sir.
So if we don't want to hide some data, right? That some incident.
Yes,
Yeah, we can able to achieve that. Even if we want count, yes, we can able to identify the count. Okay.
yes, yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. Perfect. So you can see this is a uh, you can see what it is. Cell select or copy mode. Click to a cell to copy all the records. For example, I'm just clicking on here. You can see copy mode is on. Start a free trial. So this, I think this icon is newly added from SN Utils. Okay. So for example, I'm just copying entire data. Copy. Okay. You can paste it in the Excel sheet. So you just copy and paste it in the Excel sheet. If we on this select cell icon, okay, copy mode. This is a copy mode. This is new icon. Even I'm seeing first time. Okay, maybe it is related to SN Utils icon. I have shown right extension, SN Utils extension. This SN Utils extension related icon. This is okay. This is a list choice action. This is a list choice action. List choice action. This icon we are calling as list choice action. We have multiple options. For example, so this is a test, this is a test, this is a test, this is a test. I want to delete these 4 records. You can select it. You can come and delete here. If you want to achieve that data, yes, you can do that. So if you want to create application files, you can click on here. These are list choice actions. These are list choice actions. Okay. Next. So this is a list header icon, or this is a list header icon. List header icon. This new icon is for creating new instance. We open the instance list, right? This icon is this button is for creating a new incident. Okay, if we can also have multiple buttons in the list header. That's what I'm calling it as list header buttons. List header buttons. Okay, so we just discussed about the list header. Now you can see from on any column, for example, on any column, I'm just right clicking. On any column, I'm just right clicking. What this we are calling as list context menu. This icon, this screen we are calling as list context menu. So you can click on any column name. You can click on any column name. This list context menu will appear. This list context menu will appear. Okay. This is a list context menu. Next, just it is selecting here. So you can see here we have search icon. If you click on this search icon, it will hide and show the search box for every field. So if you want to search something directly from here, for example, 1 minute. So I'm trying to search from here. 5. Enter. You can see, you can able to, it is only showing 5. Incidents 5, contains 5. Okay. Something like this. Okay. If you want to filter related to specific field directly from here, yes, you can able to search. So this search is a toggler. Okay. Toggles. Click one click it will open, one click it will close. Next. So for in the list, first column in the list, every first column is a contains a clickable link. Okay. In a list, first column always contains a clickable links. For example, you can say clickable, 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 clickable. Okay. So in list, first column always contains clickable links. Okay. Next. So here also you can see color able total clickable, and for example, David Blue clickable, assignment group also clickable. Okay. So assigned to Shravan clickable, system administrator clickable. Why other fields also clickable? Okay. So this is for opening the record, that particular record. Opening for that particular record, it is clickable, first column. And remaining columns, why it is clickable? Those are the reference fields. Those are the reference fields. That was it is clickable. Okay. In the first column, if it is a reference field or normal ordinary field, it is a clickable. But other fields, if it is only reference field, then it will be clickable. Okay. So you will get to know like what is reference field, what is normal fields while we are discussing about tables concept. Okay. Next. So here you can see you have preview icon. This is a preview icon. We are calling it as a preview icon. We are calling it as a preview icon. Okay. So for example, I'm just clicking on preview icon. Preview of this form will open. You can see this form contains like this. So I'm just clicking on open record. Okay, when you click on open record, that form will open. Preview icon and open record. When you click on open record, that form will open. Okay. Next. So for every column, beside every column, it's showing some options. 3 dots icon. You can see what 3 dots icon. It will also open form context menus. You can right click or you can click on 3 dots icon. It will show the form context menus. Since we are logged in with the admin user, it is showing all the options. Okay, depends upon the user, these options are limited. Depends upon the user role, these options are limited. Okay, team. Next. So not only clicking here, not only clicking here. So if we right click on any cell, if we right click on any cell, that also it will show the different options. Okay. If we click on any cell, that also it will show the different options. So you can say I click on test, show matching filter out, copy sysID, assign tag. So it is showing different options. You can say if you can click on any cell, it will show options. So basically, like whatever in the top we are, like whatever we are seeing in the top, those are the cells or column. Those are the columns. So these are the records. So this is one record. This is one record. This is one record. This is one record. Something like that. Okay. So now we can see now we can go to the bottom of the list. So in the bottom of the list, we have a pagination. This area we are calling as pagination. Okay, this area we are calling it as a pagination. Okay, you can see like how many records are present. So we are in first page. It is showing the entire 53 records. 1 minute. Now you can see we have approximately 138 records. So in the first page, we are seeing 100 records. So I'm navigating to the next page. Okay. Yes, we are in second page now. It is showing 101 to 138 records. Now I'm directly navigating to the first page. Okay. Something like that. Okay. This is a pagination. And in Servicenow, if we go to the any page, sorry, what I can say? Bottom right corner, you have clock icon. If you go to the any page, everywhere this icon will appear. So what it contains? It contains how much time this page load is taking, how much time it is taking to load this particular page. Okay, it contains this particular information. It contains this particular information. Okay, how much time it is taking to load this page. So this is about clock item. So any queries from list, if any queries you can ask me, then I will go to the form. We can discuss about form now. No queries? No? Okay. So
Hello.
I'm yes.
Yeah,
Uh,
actually, these are all inbuilt in ServiceNow, or that we should want to create all these tables and everything.
so basically, like whatever options I have shown, those are all the navigation elements and those are inbuilt within the service now. And
Okay.
what we will do, and even the table, instant table I have shown right in today class, that is also inbuilt. Like in real time, what we will do if we want to enhance these options, like adding some extra options, for example, removing whatever the options we don't require, those things we will do, like creating any custom table or creating any application, creating any fields, that kind of tasks we will do. Okay,
O- Okay.
like
And also, I
mhm.
have another doubt. Can I ask?
Yeah, you can ask.
Okay, actually, previous class I was attending Saturday. Saturday that you told me we should all install that developer one, and now you are showing here admin. I have joined later for 5 minutes late.
Mhm.
So this is an another account or in the same account. I just opened that last class page,
Mhm.
that instant.
Mhm.
For me here coming like. My mail and that only, but you are opening, it is showing that admin, like right
Yes,
last one banner page.
yes, yes. Mhm.
mm,
So
so
basically,
um,
we have to open this URL from the developer account only. Once you log in with your mail ID and password, from there
okay,
you have to open that. I will navigate again in maybe in today class. Okay. Even
okay,
I have
okay,
thought to, I have thought to explain something from the developer portal for today, which I have tried yesterday. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Team, anyone, any questions you can ask? Approximately, we are at 7 a.m. So AJ, Anjana, Bindu, Gaurav. Gaurav, any questions? Mahmoud, Manshu, Monica, Naresh.
No, sir.
Okay.
No questions, sir, as of now. Thank you.
No, sir.
Okay.
No
Okay.
questions.
Okay.
No, sir.
Samsung, Exomi, you have to change your names. Otherwise, I may remove from the class. Samsung, Exomi, phones joined. Okay. Yeah, okay, team. So I'm just stopping here. I may explain this form and this user preferences maybe in tomorrow class. Okay. So like now what we can discuss, like what we did on the day two class, second class, what we did, we are trying to create a ServiceNow instance. Then what happens? Like when we submitted request for ServiceNow instance, it went for queue. It went for queue. Okay. So like what I observed yesterday, for example, I am navigating to the ServiceNow developer portal.
Sir, one, I sorry to interrupt. Sir,
Hmm.
there is an option, right? Yeah, you are viewing RAM. Can you please hide that option, sir, if possible?
Which option?
Yes, which was the recording, not this one, sir. That green color it will be
Sorry.
there. That up, sir. Develop. You are viewing Ramanjanaya Reddy the screen. is that possible to hide that option, which was recording right away? Uh, view up. Okay, leave it, sir.
No, so basically that screen will appear to you. Okay, you just drag to somewhere
Okay.
that option. Okay, that option will not
Okay.
appearing for me.
Okay.
So I'm just logging out. I just typed Servicenow developer here. Okay, so I'm just going to the first link. So I'm just signing in here. So Servicenow TRAINING 2605 2605. Sorry, 06 2026 at the rate of gmail.com. I think 25, right? I have entered wrong email address. Okay, that's what again I'm opening. 25 2506. So you can see. Now I'm trying to sign in. Okay, sign in. So what happening? It is in queue. It is in queue. Wait, it's loading. So you can see, still it is showing you are waitlisted for an instance. You will receive an email as soon as once it is available. Okay. So still it is in queue. We don't know when this instance will come back. We don't know when this instance come back to us. Okay. So
Sir,
if we are in waitlisted, definitely one day instance will be allocated for you. Definitely instance will be allocated for you. I think for Naresh or Manikanta, you have received instance, right? I don't remember the name.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. So, and like what I observed yesterday, I'm just logging out from this account. I will log in with some different account. Okay, now sign in. Servicenow training 2018 at the rate of gmail.com. So earlier we don't have this much waiting and all. Okay, immediately it created the instances. Okay, immediately it created instances earlier. So you can see here it is showing request instance. I'm just clicking on the request instance. So for example, if I click on Australia, it's showing request. If I click on Zurich, it's showing join waitlist. When I click on Ecoma, it's showing join list. I will try. So here it is showing request, right? We can try. It may come or not. We are not sure, but we can try. Instead of waiting list, it is shown something, right? So definitely it will take some time. So yesterday, what I did when I opened that versions Australia, Zurich, and Ecoma. So when I click on Ecoma, it shown it's shown the option request instance. But of course, it is not allocated. Like this, we have to try. It's okay. And one more thing is, so on day one class, we have discussed about build agent, right? Like which I said, we don't require to do anything. It will, if we give prompt properly, it will give some results automatically, right? That we can try now. Okay, that we can try now. I'm just clicking on try build agent. So this build agent for the personal developer instances, we have some limitations. it will only accept up to 25 prompts. It will accept only 25 prompts. Now tell me, like if I want to create something, it will automatically create. Okay. So can we do something, for example? So we have Maunika. Okay. I'm just trying to create a one table with Maunika's name. For example, you can say Mounika. We don't have any table. We don't have any table with this name. So for example, you can say create a table Maunika. Okay. So while creating table, you can also create application menu and module. Okay. You can see. It will take some time to create. Okay. I just mentioned you can create a table called Maunika. It will take some time to create. Okay. So last time I have created table called my tasks. You can see these are my prompts. Create table my tasks. So it is created my task table. So like it is asked the prompt in which application scope you want to create. You can see it is asking. So this is the plan. Read fluent documentation for application. Yes, I'm just approving this plan. Okay, then it will ask for the scope as well. Only this build agent option given for the personal developer instances. Okay. AI related, we have many things in service now. Like what I can say, agentic AI, AI agents, build agent. We are seeing build agent now. Okay. So Navas skill configuration. Those are all things are there. Okay. But they haven't given for the personal developer instance. Only this they have given. Okay. So you can see we are unable to assign instance to you before the prompt will create instance. You can see it is getting like this. I may try again. So Australia available, Oman not available. Australia it is showing available. Request option it is showing, but it is not assigning the instance. You can see new table was created. New table was created. You can see new table with fields. These fields they created. Okay. Now I'm just going to the home page. You can check whether it is created Maunika table or not. The table name starts with Maunika. For example, I'm just typing MOU N9K. This I think I have given. Refresh. You can see Maunika, all records, create new. Yeah, XOMe mobile, please, you are drawing something. So you can see Maunika application created. Maunika within the Maunika table, it is created two modules, all records and creating. For example, I'm picking on all records. You can see the table U underscore Maunika. Just now it is created. Okay. So you can see how simple it is. If we are using AI, we don't require to create table. So if you just give prompt properly, it is creating automatically. So you can see now here also I will show you like for proof, like when this Maunika table is created. Okay. Underscore b underscore object. So you can see when it is created, 2 minutes ago it is created. Yeah, here it is there created. You can see 2 minutes ago created this Maunika table. Okay. And for example, within the Maunika table, I want to show some fields. I want to create some fields. I'm just navigating to, oh, again it is,
Sir,
yeah, you can ask me some. Join this, join.
sir, actually,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, I just want to ask one thing, sir. Sir, on that you can able to say that right? dev204.164.service.com. But you haven't entered that one, sir. dev204.164.service.now.com. You have
Uh,
entered. How come it comes up? How it comes up?
which screen you are asking about? This now
On
panel,
your
now,
screen only said.
in my screen. So this, right?
Search option, sir. Yes, 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 sir. The, yeah, dev204. How it comes, sir? You haven't entered this servicenow.developer.com. You have entered. But automatically
Like
it
how
will
it would be, like once the instance is available, once the at least I will join to the wait list. So once the instance available, so you like you will get linked. Okay, start building something button you will get here. Okay, once it get, if you click on that, it will redirect to this link. Like what I did, I have bookmarked this link. Okay, you can see I have bookmarked this link. So that's why directly it is open. Yeah, team, if you want to explore something, you can use this my instance to explore. You can use this instance to explore. Okay, I may just send these details. So
sir, if
username is
possible, can you show me one more time, sir?
admin. 1 second. Password. So train@122. This is the password. Okay. If you want to explore today class options, this navigational elements, you can use that user ID password and you can verify. Like what I have to show. So for example, we are in this developer.servicenow.com. So once the instance is allocated to you, instead of request instance, instead of leave waiting list, it will show something like start building. It will show some button called start building. When you click on that start building button, so it will redirect to this particular URL. 1 second, I may log in with that account. So I'm just typing ServiceNow developer. Okay. Logging into the ServiceNow instance. Sign in. ServiceNow 390 ServiceNow TRAING 2903. I'm just logging with this instance. This developer account related instance I'm opening. Okay. Yes, Exomi, you can ask me question.
Yes, sir. I have a question. Like you, as you have shared the credential like admin and password, user ID and password. So, at the same time, multiple user can log in with the
Yeah,
same
yeah.
PDI.
Yes. May I know your name?
My name is Ajay Kumar, sir.
So you can change your name, okay, in the Zoom account.
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay, okay. Yeah, we can able to log in multiple users in the real time. So, for example, if within the organization we have 10,000 employees, all 10,000 employees will log in with the same. All 10,000 employees will log in with their user accounts. Okay, within the single
Okay,
instance.
sir.
Okay,
Okay,
here
sir.
we
Got it.
haven't created users for us, right? So, yeah, you can use same credentials. If 15 members join, also not an issue. Okay. TRAIN. I don't remember the password thing. Okay, just login. What's up with this? You can see start building. Got it? I think Muhammad or somebody asked, right, how to open that instance. Now I'm just clicking on start building. You can see this instance will open. Got it? Got it, team?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Got
Okay,
it.
like this we have to open. So but
Sir,
the thing,
we
yeah, team, if you are having two email accounts, please try to request instance from the both the mail addresses. Okay, you can sign up to the developer account from the both the email address, you can sign up because it is taking time, right? So at least if we get one Servicenow instance for everyone, that should be good. Tell me. Yes, Mohammed.
Yes, we have. I mean, a developer account is separate and admin account will be separate, sir, on this
Yes.
in same tool. So we
So
are using same.
yeah, so basically in real time we don't have any developer account in real time. Okay, in real time you cannot see this developer account. Okay, got it? So
Yes, sir.
in real time you will directly open your organizational instance.
So everything will be there, right? So this
Yeah,
this just now we can see like the dev 2014. So if
yes.
in every organization they have been allocated this number, right, sir? When they are logging in
So
first
there it
instance.
is not number. So instead of number, you can see your organization in there. But for
Okay.
example, you are working in TCS, so you will show TCS start service-now.com, something like that. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
you told me on today's class, sir, like
Mhm.
on a personal instance, we can open anyone's account. So, do we have any restrictions on this? Because you told me everyone
Yeah,
are
we
working same
have role.
organization.
We have one role. If we have that role, then only we can able to compensate to other users. Otherwise, not.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Generally, that option only available to ITL users and admin users. So for everyone, that option we are not going to enable. Okay.
Yeah.
So team,
Yes.
we have 2 minutes of time. Okay. So still I haven't received your details, team. So whoever sent the details, daily I'm sending class notes and recorded videos. Okay. So please expect delay in the recorded videos and class notes. Okay. At least, for example, for today class, maximum I will try to upload the videos and class notes. So before I left for the office, before I left home for the office. So if I missed uploading the videos immediately after the class, I will upload the videos once I reach home. Okay. So team, whoever not sent our details, so please share name, email, mobile number to this email address. Servicenow training 2018 at the rate of gmail.com. If you send the details now itself, so I may add you into the class notes email. Otherwise, you may get tomorrow if you send details late. And one more thing. So I'm just stopping recording.